Hello everyone. Today we will implement the function length of linked list to find the length of the given linked list with the help of recursion. So this question is very important for understanding how recursion will behave when we are calling it to the neighbor. For example, let's see a linked list has nodes 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is easy to read the length as 4 now because there are only 4 nodes. Now let's implement through the recursion function here. So generally any recursion function always implements a process in which it calls the same function to its neighbor. For example, initially my linked list is pointing to the head, that is 1. Okay, so if I want to know the length, it means from head I have to move to 2. Let's take a variable as length L equal to 1 initially when I am at the head. So what I have to do, initially when I move to the next pointer, my L becomes 2 because I have covered 2 nodes now. And from 2 when I move to 3, my length will become 3 because I have covered 3 nodes here. And when again I move to the next node, my length will become 4 because I have covered 4 nodes here. And whenever I move to the next node, none, it means I should not count none because this is not a node, and none indicates the end of the linked list, and then I have to return back from the none to the original function without performing any operation. And whatever the value of the L we have calculated, that will remain as the answer, and that is 4. I hope you have understood the implementation, what is happening here. So we will implement with the help of a recursion. So what I am doing, instead of I am not moving from one node to other node up to the tail point at every step. I am just calling the function to the neighbor. So my current pointer is head, my neighbor is 2. So it means if I call the same function to the neighbor and if I tell the function to repeat the same process until I reach none, and the final value becomes my length and return that length to me. So that's what I am doing in this function. So I am defining the function length linked list and I am passing the current pointer with the initial length L equal to 1. So I want the same process to repeat. So what I am doing, I am calling the same function to its neighbor. So this is nothing but 2. Initially it is pointing to 1. So I am calling the function to the 2 and I am increasing the length by 1. So initially it was 1, it is 2. It means at the pointer 2 my length is 2. So I am calling it to the neighbor, and this in turn calls it to the next neighbor, this in turn calls it to the next neighbor until I reach none. So I am writing the base case, if head equal to none, return the length. It means I am doing the process of increasing the length at every step whenever I am calling it to the neighbor, and here whenever I reach the none, please return the value of the length. I hope you have understood. So whatever the final answer that is present with the variable length, whenever it reaches none, that is my final answer. So it will return the answer as 4. Thank you.